Welcome. If you want to connect printer to your ASUS ZENFONE MAX M2, for the first you have to go for the settings, click on the connected devices, tap on the connection preferences and then tap on the printing. Right now we have to click to add the service, and you have to get the plugin from the company of your printer. So in my case I'm going for the HP print service. Click install. Click open. Right now just slide on the right side. Here you have to accept all of the stuff that pops on our screen, and we can go back to our settings and use the HP print service. And as you can see right now, our smartphone finds our printer. So if you want to print something, you have to go for the thing that you want to print. So I'm going for the picture. I take this one, and you have to click right here, click on the more, tap on the plugin from your printer. So there we got the HP print service. Click on the printer, and right now if you want to print your picture, you have to just tap on this icon. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.